Have you loaded your AWS environment? Protect your environment now with Amazon S3 and get ready for complete security. Your data in AWS is an indispensable treasure, and protecting this data starts with simple but effective steps. With S3 tips from CS Standards. 1. Full control over your data access with Block Public Access. When it comes to protecting your data in S3, every detail should be under control. The goal is to prevent any unintended or intentional access for an attack. As we know, Block Public Access is generally enabled by default, but any user with sufficient IAM privileges can enable public access to buckets. The level that AWS provides for more control. Bucket settings. Secure the buckets specified with the words "Yes, yes" from any unauthorized public access. 2. Account settings. It gives you comprehensive protection by preventing public access to any buckets in the entire account, and it applies to all buckets in all regions. 2. Enable MFA delete on S3 bucket. If you want to download your sensitive data, MFA delete is the solution. Once enabled on S3 buckets, users should have only 2 ways to modify or delete any data. Why? Delete the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It gives additional security that even if your data disappears or you are logged into your account, no one will be able to delete or modify the data easily. 3. Prevent HTTP access to S3 buckets your data. You must enable S3 bucket policy to prevent HTTP access and only allow HTTPS protection. Why? By default, S3 allows access via HTTP and HTTPS, but HTTP is not secure. It is open to attacks. It is important to ensure that the traffic data is encrypted using HTTPS only. 4. Discover, classify, and secure S3 data. To secure your data in S3, you need to use Amazon Macie tools or other tools to identify and classify sensitive data using AI techniques. Why? With tools like Macie, you can monitor, classify, prevent, or target your data for risks. Keep your data in S3 protected as it deserves. With all these preparations, your security is at the highest level. Just for Pam Spice, Kim Saying.